Hand pain is a condition characterized by discomfort or pain in the hand, which can range from mild discomfort to severe pain. The causes of hand pain are diverse, with some common factors including overuse or strain due to repetitive motions, injuries like fractures or sprains, arthritis affecting the hand joints, nerve compression disorders like carpal tunnel syndrome, infections, vascular issues, and gout. The symptoms of hand pain can vary depending on the underlying cause, but may include pain of varying intensity, swelling, and warmth in the affected area due to inflammation, stiffness, and reduced range of motion, numbness, and tingling sensations. This hand pain chart typically depicts the hand's anatomy, highlighting structures such as bones, joints, tendons, nerves, and blood vessels. Patients can use it to pinpoint the location of their pain, facilitating more accurate communication with healthcare providers. To use our free hand pain chart, follow these steps. Download our hand pain chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. With the patient's information recorded, proceed to the main purpose of the hand pain diagram. Ask the patient to pinpoint and indicate the specific area where they are experiencing hand pain. Encourage them to use various visual cues such as marks, arrows, or labels to describe the pain's location accurately. This step is vital in precisely identifying the affected area, which is essential for diagnosis and treatment planning. In addition to identifying the pain location, the hand pain diagram provides space for documenting additional information about the pain. Ask the patient to describe the pain's characteristics, including its intensity, quality, and any associated symptoms like numbness, tingling, or weakness. The details provide valuable insights into the nature of the hand pain. Here is a sample of our hand pain chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our hand pain chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.